Good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw the solution of the above mechanism loci problem. So, as you can see above, the question says the rod AB moves so that A is always on OY and B is always on OX. Plot the locus of P from the maximum movement of A and B if AB is 130 mm and AP is 58 mm. So I will start by drawing the OY line, that is the vertical line. After drawing the OY, I will also draw the OX line. The OX line is the horizontal line. I will label this point O and this point here Y. Then this point here X. On the line OY, I will mark 130 mm. This is because according to the question says AB is 130 mm. So that is the reason why we are marking 130 mm here. So after marking the point, I will label the point A0. So next now, we are to divide from point O to point A0 into equal parts. So for easy way, to make it easy for us, so we'll divide it into 13 equal parts. So we'll follow the principle of line division. So first we'll draw an inclined line from point O. So after drawing the inclined line, I will mark off 13 points on the inclined line. This is because I want to divide line OAO into 13 equal parts. So now we have our 13 points. So the radius we use to mark the 13 points can be any suitable radius. So next, you position your set square this way. So your set square should be positioned in such a way that this side of the set square pass through the last point you marked and your point AO. So after positioning your set square, you have to support the set square with your ruler this way. So draw the first line, that is to AO. Next, you have to slide the set square along your ruler without moving your ruler to the next point you marked. Then to the next point. So now you have to number the points where lines of division intersect your OY line. So this point here will be A1. A3, A4. So this point here should be A13, not A0. And this point here is A0. So next, you have to adjust your compass to a radius of 130 millimeter. This is because from the question says AB is 130 millimeter. So you adjust your compass to 130 millimeter. So after adjusting the compass to 130 millimeter, you have to place your compass on point O0. So you are starting with O0, that is this point. Then you have to cut arc this way. So you have to label the point where arc cut your line, OX. You have to label that point. So you have to label the point B0. So next, you go to A1. Then you needle at A1. Then cut an arc. So you have to label the point where the arc cut through. You have to label the point B1. Then next is A2. So you have to label the point B2. So next, A3. So you have to label the point B3. So you have to continue in this manner for A4, A5 till A13. So this point here will be B13. So next is to draw line joining the A points and the B points. So line point A1, a line will be drawn from point A1 to point B1, point A2 to point B2, and so on. So the question also says AP is 58 millimeter. So I will adjust my compass to 58 millimeter. So after adjusting the compass to 58 millimeter, I will place the compass on A0. So I'm starting with A0. Then I'll cut an arc along A0X. That is along the horizontal line. So I will label the point P0. So I will go to A1. So I will cut an arc along A1, B1. So I will label the point P1. So for A2, I will do the same. So I will label the point P2. So I will go to A3, that is, I will cut an arc along A3B3, that is line A3B3. So I'll label the point P3. So I'll continue in that manner for A4, A5 till A13. So the arc for A13 is along OY. So we have our point now. So this point, that is point where arcs intersect lines. So this is the point where our curve will pass through. So this is where we draw our curve through. So I'll be drawing the curve using my French curves. So after producing the curve, I will make A10 bold. That is line A10, B10. I will make it bold. So I will also indicate that line AB slide along OY. And also AB slide along, that is point B, that is a slide along OX. So I will also indicate it. So we are done with this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you have any question on engineering and technical drawing in general, you can message me on WhatsApp. The number displayed is my WhatsApp number. So I will see if I have time to solve the question and send the video of the solution to you for free. Thank you.